Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the phone for a smooth Android 8 update. You need at least 50% battery or keep the charger connected. This prevents interruptions. Once done, free up 2 GB of storage by deleting large unused files and clear cache so the installer can unpack. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid data corruption and speed up the download. You'll also verify the device model and current build in settings. This confirms you're applying the correct update package. You proceed to Settings, then About Phone, and open System Updates to search for the Android 8 package. When the update appears, tap Download and monitor progress. Don't interrupt the download and wait until it reaches 100%. Once downloaded, tap Install. Your device will reboot automatically and begin installing the new system files. During installation, the screen may stay black briefly. Afterwards, the phone optimizes apps, which can take several minutes depending on your app count. Be patient and avoid powering off. You finish by checking settings to confirm Android 8 and then test Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and core apps to ensure compatibility. Once done, reinstall any removed apps and restore data if needed. Some apps may request updated permissions. If the phone hits a boot loop or crashes, restart into recovery mode and wipe the cache partition first. This often resolves post-update issues. If problems persist, a factory reset can fix deep faults, but make sure you back up your data before performing that final step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.